Alright, so the Renegade is pretty much torn apart. We took the front bumper off, rad kit, rear rack, diff, drive shaft, everything back there. Every plastic except for like the front and the back plastic. We don't have the video of taking everything apart because it didn't come out good. This is my old diff. It's got a lot of play in it. It's pretty rickety inside. Like I said, the video didn't come out good taking it apart. Everything just got sent out to powder coat. We got tire tail, rock lights, tail lights, gas cap, airbox lid, winch cable. Got a couple more things that I forgot, but yeah. Hopefully the video putting everything back on will come out good. Alright, bye.
Ooh, I'm sorry, baby, I don't mean to be rude. Yeah, I'm just a little different from all these dudes. Okay, they riding waves, me, I'm up on the cruise. Yeah, you feel like me, then you got nothing to prove. I see.
This is me editing right now. I don't know if we mentioned this, but so we figured out the clutch was wiggly, the secondary. So we so people told us it was a bearing. So we took the cover of the transmission off, and it was all sludge underneath there, and all the bearings were seized and locked up and rusty. So we just needed a new transmission, so we just got a new transmission. But yeah, this is a wiggly clutch. Like I said, this video is kind of jumpy, so this is me putting it together.
Every time you come around, I feel great. Simplify the things that I complicate. We can cash out, lock it in, move it to the country, it's no debate. No stress, but I wanted to see you change. No stress, but I wanted to see you change. Every time the figure comes around, I'm wrapped in plastic like RIP, baby.
Alright, so we got the rad kit, front bumper, everything on. It's about time to start this thing. So
So I finished up the Renegade, and I think it's about time for a montage.
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh, yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay, hey, yeah, ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra. With me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the islands. We up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Then on that hill, you gon' die on it.
alright, so we just finished up the Renegade build this couple days later because the first one didn't come out good. The Ultra, that's what it is. But so yeah, huge shout out to Demon Power Sports for the axles, Fabrication by Design for the rear rack, RWC tail lights, SCP, I think, powder coating out of Willow Springs, North Carolina area, I think. Platoon Fab for the front bumper and rad kit. I've had that, but it's doing good and stuff. The only thing I need is a radiator fin, which should be coming in tomorrow, and then we're ready for BUSCO. So yeah, hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe. See you at BUSCO.